x1 y1 on the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then prove that h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b equals to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now qh comma k is put of perpendicular. This is theorem actually. Theoretical question. What we have to do is qh comma k is foot of perpendicular. What is the meaning of foot of perpendicular? You have to remember this line. If I am drawing one line, this is a perpendicular line. Two lines are there perpendicular to each other. Now qh comma k is foot of perpendicular line. If this is the line perpendicular to this one, foot is here of px1 y1. See, if px1 y1 is a point, its foot is qh comma k. First thing, this line is perpendicular to on the line. So this qh comma k lies on the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. First thing, you should clear those points. Two lines are there, they are perpendicular to one another. They have given foot of perpendicular. QH comma k is foot of perpendicular of px1 y1 point on the line ax plus by plus c. Now by seeing these two lines, we can think that what we can do is we can realize that q lies on ax plus by plus c. So what we have to start by taking first one, whatever points given, let qh comma k lies on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This implies whatever line is lying on the line, whatever point lies on the line, that point should be substituted in place of h and k. This is equation 1. From where we got that one? From the figure we get to know that q lies on the line. So first thing we have to substitute q lies on the line. Substitute q value h comma k in place of x and y. Now in the next one, we get to know these two lines are perpendicular. Already we are finding foot of perpendicular, so we know that these two lines. Which lines? PQ is perpendicular to L, or we can say what is that L line? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If two lines are perpendicular, their product of slopes is equals to minus 1. m1 into m2, slope of 1 into slope of 2 is equals to minus 1. See, to start the question, because theorem means they have not given find orthocenter in center. We are not following the process of orthocenter in center. What they have given, we have to prove that foot of perpendicular is h minus x1 by a. To get that thing, what we have to do? First q lies on the line. First step you have to remember. Then m1 and 2. How to start the question? Because two perpendicular lines are there, we have to take slope of 1 into slope of 2 is equals to minus 1. Slope of 1. Slope of PQ means we have to use one formula here. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into, see, when 2 points are given, 2, 3, 5, 6, slope, if I ask you slope, you can write y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If I give you one line like this, 3x plus 2y plus minus 3 equal to 0, then the slope is different, minus a by b. To find slope of points, we will use this formula. To find slope of a line given equation, you have to use minus a by b. What we have to do now? Slope of 1. Slope of 1 means equation 1 have 2 points. So we have slope of 1 into slope of 2 equals to minus 1. These two minus cancelled. Here, slope of 1, x1 y1 is x1 y1 only, x2 y2 is h comma k. So we have y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into a by b is equals to 1. Now k minus y1 into a divided by h minus x1 into b is equals to 1. If I cross multiply this, h minus x1 into b is equals to k minus y1 into a. Now h minus x1, that a comes to the denominator, k minus y1, this b goes to the denominator. H minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b, we got this one. H minus x1 by a, k minus, but these two things are equal to one more value. So for that, what we have to do is let h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to lambda. Equation number 2. What we have? First we have started by taking q h comma k lies on the line. Once that lies on the line, we use the condition of two lines are perpendicular. Their product of slope is minus 1. You have to write slope of 1 into slope of 2 equal to minus 1. You can by heart this point. Slope of 1 into slope of 2 equal to minus 1. Both slopes we have multiplied, equated with minus 1, minus sign cancelled. Then we have distributed these two things. Numerator we have multiplied separately, denominator, then cross multiplied. So what we got, h minus x1 into b, k minus y1 into a. Then that a comes to the denominator of h minus x1, b goes there. It looks like answer, but answer has third term. So we have to consider that third term, let it be equation 2. Now from this equation 2, take one bracket and equate both h minus x1 by a equals to lambda, k minus y1 by b equals to lambda. Then this implies h minus x1 equals to a lambda, h equals to a lambda plus x1. Here k minus y1 equals to b lambda implies k is equals to b lambda plus y1. From where we got that one? Check it out once again. After equating second, from this we have equated first one. H minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b equals to lambda. This implies h minus x1 is equals to a lambda implies h is equals to a lambda plus x1. K minus y1 equals to b lambda, k is equals to b lambda plus y1. Now we have to substitute, put hk in 1, a into h value, a lambda plus x1 plus b into k value, b lambda plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now if you multiply a square lambda plus ax1 plus b square lambda plus by1 plus c equals to 0, this becomes a square, see, if lambda terms are there, you can take lambda common, a square plus b square equals to, then ax1 plus by1 plus c goes to that side, minus ax1 minus by1 minus c. Now lambda equals to minus common ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. This is equation 3. Put equation 3 in 1. So whatever lambda value is there, we will substitute here. H minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Hence proved. What we have done till now. See, theoretical question, theorem means we have to remember some points and we have to follow those points. First thing, Q is foot of perpendicular. Once you got foot of perpendicular question, you have to draw in this line. P is there, Q is foot of the perpendicular because perpendicular line, this is top, this is foot. This is the P x1 by 1 at the top and Q at the bottom of perpendicular line. But Q lies on ax plus by plus c. If one point lies on ax plus by plus c, just start with that point. H comma k you should substitute in place of x and y. One equation we got. Because two lines are perpendicular, we are starting by taking that common factor. PQ perpendicular to this line. So their product of slope is minus 1. You have to remember slope of 1 into slope of 2 equal to minus 1. Then slope of 1 is different formula, slope of 2 is different formula because first line has 2 points. So 2 points means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula. Then equation of slope of the line, already line form is given to you, points are not given, that time slope is minus a by b. We are substituting these two, we got h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b, that equals to lambda, because three terms we have to prove, so equal to lambda we have considered. Whenever we are considering anything, equate first and last, second and last, and we will get 2 points h and k. That h and k we are substituting in equation 1. So we get the value of lambda. Once we get the value of lambda, substitute in place of lambda. This is the answer. Similarly, we have if q h comma k is image of the point P. See, image means we have to consider this is a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. P is a point x1 y1. This is foot of perpendicular, but this one is image. Image means these two distances are equal. Like this is a mirror. We are seeing the P point as mirror image, that is q, that is image h comma k, image of P. Still, if we are finding image of P, we have perpendicular lines, formula itself 1 and 2, slope of 1 into slope of 2 equals to minus 1 we have to do. Before that, what we have to do is, any point lies on this one, M lies on the line. Let M is equals to, M is midpoint of these two, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, lies on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Previously q h comma k lies, we have substituted h and k. Now what is lie on this one line? M lies on ax plus by plus c. M is midpoint of pq. We have to substitute a x1 plus h by 2 plus b y1 plus k by 2 plus c equals to 0. Now ax1 plus ah plus by1 plus bk plus this 2 is multiplied here equal to 0. So we can write ax1 plus by1 plus ah plus bk plus 2c equals to cross multiplied. 0 into anything is 0. Equation 1. How to get equation 1? How to start this one? First I have taken P and Q. Midpoint M lies on the line. So take midpoint M. First one plus first one by 2. Second one plus second one by 2 lies on the line. Remember that we are substituting first and second one in place of x and y. Then equation 1. Now we have to start. Slope of 1 into slope of 2 equals to minus 1. Slope of line 1, same thing, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into slope of 2 minus a by b equals to minus 1. Minus cancelled, y2 minus y1, x1 y1, x2 y2. Y2 is k. K minus y1 by h minus x1 equal into a by b equals to 1. First k minus y1 into a by h minus x1 into b is equals to 1. By cross multiplication, h minus x1 into b is equals to k minus y1 into a. H minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to lambda. Let it be equation number 3. Sorry. 2. See what they have given. First, m lies on the line. We have to find m by taking x1 plus x2 by 2 formula and y1 plus y2 by 2. First one plus first one by 2, second one. Because m is midpoint. This m lies on the line. We have to substitute x and y placed with these two values. After substituting, take LCM and equation 1. Once we got equation 1, leave it. Now what is the process of starting this one? 1 and 2. Their product of slopes equals to minus 1 because they are perpendicular lines again. Same thing we have to follow which we have done in the previous question. And in bracket you can find this h minus x1 by a equals to lambda implies h minus x1 equals to a lambda implies h is equals to a lambda plus x1. K minus y1 by b equals to lambda. This implies k minus y1. This b goes to right side b lambda. That implies k equals to b lambda plus y1. Now whatever values we got, put h k in 1, in second, in 1 sorry. Ax1 plus by1 plus ah plus bk plus 2c equals to 0. Ax1 plus by1 plus a square lambda plus ax1 plus b square lambda plus by1 plus 2c equals to 0. Now we have to take lambda common. Before that, ax1 is 2x1, 2ax1 plus 2by1 plus 2c plus lambda common, a square plus b square equal to 0. After substituting h and k values, we are finding lambda value. So, lambda term on left side, rest of the term we have to send to right side. Now, lambda value equals to minus common, a minus with 2 common, ax1 plus b by 1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. This is third one. Put equation third in second. So what is the second equation? H minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to lambda value minus 2 into ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. Quite difficult one. No one will get this one easily. You have to practice minimum 3 times so that you can able to do this one easily. What you have to remember is, for image, you have to draw Q midpoint, and first we have to find midpoint, substitute this midpoint on the line, then equation 1, then product of slopes equals to minus 1, then equal to lambda, then you have to bracket part, then what you have done, h and k values we have substituted in equation 1, we got lambda value. Once we got lambda value, you can substitute in equation 2. Remember this one, practice well so that you can get it on. These are the theorems which are, I know these are not that much easy, but you have to practice this one. We are going to start new chapter immediately in the next video.